Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Let's go straight to our daily analysis, guys. It's Tuesday, and I have some great news for you guys. There's so many people who actually wanted to join the team, but they wanted something that they can just pay once and they have everything. So I just created something for everyone who actually wanted to join the group, the team, who actually wanted to have the robot. So let me just explain this quick. So on this all-in-one, remember Prime EA was actually $150. VIP signals for 12 months is actually $150. Mentorship for 12 months is actually $150. So total value is actually $450, but you can get everything for actually $155. So this special actually is going to be limited to 53 people because I have a limit already. I have people who are actually in the group, so I actually need a limited number. So with Prime EA, you get auto trading. You can trade NASDAQ, US30, gold on MT5. Any broker that supports MT5 or that have a platform to trade on MT5, yes, you can use the robot. VIP signals. If you're tired, maybe you don't actually have time to do the analysis, then you can just take the signals. Very profitable signals. And when you want to learn, you actually have 12 months of mentorship. That is actually some serious value there. So for those who wants to be part of the team, just WhatsApp me or Telegram me on those numbers, or check the link below. You will get actually a link to straight to my WhatsApp. So for those who actually, people who are serious, if maybe you maybe want to improve the way you trade, now you have the robot. You can have mentorship plus signals at the same time. You can learn while you're making money. Plus the robot can also do something for you. Simple as that. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. So what do we see here? I will just start with Bitcoin as usual. We just want to see what's really happening, but the market actually has been bleeding for quite some time now, especially on Bitcoin. So let's go. Or this one is much better. So what's really happening actually here is the market is seriously on a very, very, very strong bearish move. You can see something like this. So I made it to be way too clear for you to see very nice here. You can see that yes, the market was doing what? The market is being on this downtrend, and it seems like the market wants to continue with that. Do you see that? Because ever since guys, actually since November, last year November, the market started to do what? To start to sell. Actually the whole of this year actually until now, the market is been actually going down. So if we go closer there, for you to see nicely, you can see that that resistance was broken. The market actually wanted to trap people to think that maybe the market was going to the upside. Guess what? The market did not do that. The market started to do it, to push to the lower side. The market created a very nice structure, which we both saw. I saw this one coming. The market consolidated to show that, you know what, I'm about to take a decision, but we were just doing what? Waiting for a breakout. Whether the market wanted to break on top or on the bottom, but guess what? The market broke out of that support and also broke out of this stronger support. So currently, actually, the market is just consolidating around these areas. So which means there's a chance for the market to do what? To keep selling. And now we are on 15,000 something. So which means it's seriously bad. So there's a chance for the market to break this support area and start to push the lower side. So yes, be careful. Be careful when you trade crypto. But what I like is, yes, the market is actually going to the lower side. So What do we see on German? The market has been pushing up for quite some time, but since yesterday, actually, the market has been just consolidating around that area. Consolidation means the market is not actually going anywhere. It's just going up and down. And for us, for maybe if you bought or if you sold, mostly you're not going to make money. So I'm talking, if you are in the group, if you are in the VIP signals, guys, please just know or understand that the market is actually consolidating. So which means our signals sometimes won't be triggered, or because the market is not actually active. The market is not actually moving that much. I hope you understand that. So what's really happening on German? What's really happening on German 30 or German 40 or DAX? The market is actually on a very nice bullish move, but I think there is a chance for the market to do what? To keep pushing lower. But it's not like maybe the market has to do that, because the market has the choice. So we'll just wait for the market to show us that. If it pushes lower, we will see that it's going to break maybe that support area, or maybe the market will do what? Will then break this resistance area and start to do what? To push the upside. And if it does that, we have a buy pending order that we can take, and we can simply buy, because yes, we understand that we are still on what? On a bullish momentum. So there is a chance for the market to do what? To keep pushing to the upside. But we know that somehow the market is going to reverse, especially when we had this aggressive buy. We might have something like this before pushing to the upside. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, which is gold. What's really happening on gold is we did have some profits actually yesterday, but this is the very simplest way to see that the market is consolidating. From back here, you can see that the market is been doing what? Pushing to the upside. Around this area, the market started to do what? To consolidate. Maybe you can point out some areas where maybe the market was doing what? Where the areas were, where the market was giving us some sort of support areas, but you saw that the market was now trying to consolidate. Consolidation, mostly the candles, they will be canceling each other. You see a bullish move, then the market comes back again, bullish move comes back again. That is actually a simple, straightforward ranging. But on a move where the market is pushing like that, you can't see that. But here you can see that the market was just consolidating. Simple as that. But after that, the market actually broke out of that support. We waited a little bit. You can see some sort of consolidation. Here we have something that we can call, actually, after we saw a breakout, that is actually a very nice downtrend. But it seems like the market doesn't really want to push to the lower side. The market is still playing games with us. So I just want to show you what's really happening. So after that, the market created this structure. I drawn this. Then the market started to create something like that. So what I did is we had a very nice sell pending order. You can see the market touched that, pushed up, back into profit, and now it's back again going to the upside. This just shows that the market might be selling, but the structures are not actually that very nice, because the market is just going up and down, which is not actually safe, because you might be wrong or you might lose, even though later on the market might go in your favor, because the market is just going up and down. I think maybe it's because also we don't actually have some nice economic news this week. So that might be something else. So what's really happening on US oil? I think maybe this is straightforward, or maybe I can say let's go on 2 hours time frame just to see a nice bigger picture. So what's really happening here is you can easily see that the market actually is on this downtrend. The market is actually on a downtrend. We did smash this one actually yesterday. You can see that we had a sell pending order. And what I like is I also pointed some areas for you guys. I also pointed this area for you guys and said, you know what? You see this area might be something that maybe the market will respect. Guess what? Exactly around that area, the market respected that. which is something that I like, because sometimes it shows that, you know what, yeah, your structures or the strategies that we use here, the market most of the time is respecting that. So that's why I just like to follow the structure than to think, oh, maybe this will. Nope. I just have to follow what I see on the screen, not what I think. So you saw that the market was keeping going down, down, down. Yes, we did sell again. But this, if you still remember, is called actually a counter trend line, which is not very strong, because the stronger one is the one we see on the outer side, which is still telling us that we are still on a downtrend. So which means we have to remove this one, because now already it's broken there. It means maybe the market will come back and do another and give us another structure, which means maybe I see something here. You see that area? That is something that I think maybe the market will respect. It's also a horizontal resistance. Or maybe the market will keep pushing up and reach this area as a resistance, maybe before pushing lower again. Or maybe we'll see a sort of a break out. So now let's push to US30. Sometimes the market is consolidating most of the time, and especially we can see. And on Thursday, guys, we have I think it's Thursday, Friday, there's Thanksgiving, whatever. So that will actually make the market to be way too slow. So what do you do when the market is like that? Sometimes you have emotions, because the market will just go up and down. And if you are in the trades, sometimes you might end up making some mistakes. So for you to help you overcome that, I made something all in one. So you can have Prime EA or the robot just to trade for you. Or maybe you can just take the signals if maybe you're tired of maybe losing. You know, sometimes it's better to learn. There is a mentorship also, and it's flexible. At your own time, you will also have recorded sessions. And if you want to face a one-on-one also, yes, we also do that. So what's really happening here is now you get everything for $155, and you pay once. And now you're ready to go. You know yourself that maybe you've been trying your best, but maybe things they don't actually go the way you want. So what are you waiting for? Next month, then the other month is January, starting from zero again. So start with the right equipment. Equip yourself. Don't just use money. Actually, just don't go towards festive season just to drink. Sometimes you have to have mentorship, have the robot, have VIP signals, or even if you don't really get these things from me, but try to make sure that you make yourself productive, and then maybe you can make your own signals. On mentorship is where I'm going to teach you everything. You can actually make your own signals after you learn everything. VIP signal, yes, you just get the signals. Robot will just do everything for you. It's auto trading. You don't actually need any experience to use the robot, because it comes with everything, videos, how to set it up, everything. So yeah, let's go back on our analysis. So what's really happening on US30 is the market has been consolidating. I'm not even surprised. The market, but the bigger picture is, yes, we are still on an uptrend, which means we're expecting the market to do what? To push to the upside. So currently what I see is the market is actually consolidating, but we are still on that uptrend. So we have an area that we can call a support. So it means we have a chance to say maybe the market will do what? Will come back here, if not respecting this area, and start to do what? To push the upside. Yes, there is a chance for the market to break this area or keep pushing lower. And if that happens, we will be watching. We're not just going to say now maybe the market. No, we have to wait for the market to break this area before we say something. But for now, the market is still playing above our supports, which means we are still on an uptrend, and we're expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing to the upside. If you want to have entry strategies, I showed you this the special. I just showed you the special. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? NASDAQ is still actually struggling. The market since yesterday has been struggling. So guys, be safe out there, especially maybe with the robot, because the market can also consolidate in a seriously bad way, where the market can just play around the same area for like 2 days. Now is the second day, the market is still there. So what's really happening actually is, yes, NASDAQ still shows us that I'm still on a downtrend. Even though that maybe we see a smaller push there, we still have a very stronger resistance on top, which helps us to understand that the market is still doing what? The market is still pushing down. The market is still pushing down. So we can even go closer and try to see what's really happening, just to understand what's really happening. Remember, guys, later on we have to go, we go on our live session, a YouTube live session actually here. So yeah. So what's really happening here is, you can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is playing around our support area. The market broke out, obviously, but since then, the market pushed up very nice. Then after, the market started to do what? To push lower. But this pushing lower was consolidation, push, consolidate, push, consolidate, consolidate. So the question is, will the market break this area? So I had the news, China, I think in China actually, it seems like coronavirus is not actually going anywhere, and the cases are now going up again, and it means they have to put back their strict lockdowns. So that might push the market to the lower side, but we will have to see if the market breaks this support. Actually, we will look for what? For sell positions. For sell positions. But if that doesn't really happen, it means we'll still look for a very nice bullish move, which we're going to do what? We're going to call it a hit and run. So I hope you understand, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. For those who want to be part of the team, this is limited. This thing is limited for 53 people. I think maybe 53 people, they can take maybe a month, everyone. But now, because it's Black Friday, I'm hoping that people, they're going to join and get everything. Next year, I don't actually expect to have any mentorship. Only maybe signals that will be fine. So I hope maybe everyone understand. If you want the package, just let me know. Just let me know. WhatsApp me or check the link in the description for my WhatsApp. Click that link. It's going to take you straight to my WhatsApp. Then you can just start to talk to me there. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Thank you. Bye.